Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you guys can see, I have a wireless microphone, which makes me a professional content creator now. And also got a new camera, so no more recording on my iPhone. But in today's video, we are going to be doing a review on some headlights that I waited for the longest. And when I mean long, I mean long. Now, I'll explain to you right now in a few seconds. But first, a word from our sponsors. Just kidding, we have no sponsors. I have like 8 subscribers. Be for real. But if you do want to support the channel, then subscribe, like the video, share the video, and also follow my Twitch. I stream there often. And also my TikTok, where I do dances if you're into that. So these are the headlights from our 1000 horsepower 2003 Ford Zinc Yellow Mustang Cobra. One of 2 in the nation, by the way. Just want to say that. And these headlights are from a company called SW Lights. I'll leave their page somewhere right here. If you were to look at my TikTok, I have an old video of me reviewing these headlights already when I first got them. And in my opinion, that wasn't a proper review. So I'm going to be reviewing them better now, since I have the equipment to review them. And before opening this up, I am going to yap a little bit about the company. Now, damn, what's up, Molly? My dog over there, by the way. I have a whole script that I'm going to be reading off right here because I can't remember all this. When ordering these, you can add an option into your order to customize them any way you want. And for my order, I got the DRL RGWA headlights, which came out to a total of $309.99. And also I got the HID harness that I was told I was gonna need for the light to work properly. Now, I think I only needed this if I was putting it on my old Mustang, which is a regular 4.6 GT. I think that's what I need, the harness, and at the time I had one. I have a Cobra now, so I don't know if I need that anymore. But if you have a GT, you might need that. That's what I was told on the phone. But the price for that was $45 for the HRD harness. Alright, now the next few items I'm gonna list right now are options that you can add on, but you're gonna have to pay for both headlights. So if you pay for one headlight, you're gonna have to pay for the other headlight. So first things, I got them retrofitted, which was $237.50 each side. I got both sides some Sports Series HID bulb 5K, which was a total of $17.50 for each headlight. I ended up adding gloss internals to both of the headlights, which were $50 for each headlight as well. And also I had them ceramic coated, and luckily that was free because I was talking to the guy on the phone and he just threw it in there for free. So that's good on that's good. That's all I'm gonna say. That's good on him. So the total of all that price brings me to a total of $996.96, which I know is crazy. I almost paid basically $1,000 for some pair of headlights. I know that sounds crazy because it is crazy. So if you're looking to buy these headlights, just know you're going to be paying a pretty penny for these headlights, because I paid a pretty penny as well. So when I first ordered the headlights, it took about a year for the headlights to get back to me, which at the time I didn't care, because at the time I had my GT Mustang and I sold that Mustang, so what was I gonna put it on, you know? And when they finally got here, it would took me like a couple other months to get the Cobra. And once I got the Cobra, I put these headlights on the Cobra, and in 2 weeks or in a week they just went out. They went bad. Like the lighting was horrible. I could probably show you guys a picture how it looked. The car was off and the lights were on, colored weird. So I returned the headlights back to the company so I could get them fixed, because I thought it was just gonna be like a gluing issue. And to return these headlights, I waited longer than the first time. I sent these and they received them last year on February 8th. I finally got these headlights back on July 1st of this year. So that is about a year, 4 months, and 1 day, which is a very long time to wait. I'm not gonna lie, that is a very long time. And I actually have my car now, so he doesn't want to listen to me no more. You might not want to wait that long time. I would probably recommend some Amazon headlights that you could get in fucking next day, you know? So when waiting for these headlights, I would ask for an update, and then these people would tell me like, oh, it's almost getting fixed, it's almost there, it's almost done. And then so like 2 months or 3 months into it, I texted the person asking, hey, any updates, is it fixed? Because I saw they just had to re-glue the whole area again, you know, because I thought I just had a cracked seal. They would tell me the headlights are ready to go, they'll be shipped out next week, and they never get shipped out. And for months and months and months, I'll be asking the guy, hey, are my headlights getting shipped out already? And then he'll be like, yeah, bro, we were busy at the shop, they'll be getting sent out next week. And so next week comes along and I get no notification, nothing about it. So they're just liars. For months and months, they just going back and forth. Every month I've been sending a message, they send a message back. Finally got them. I give that customer service a fucking 4.4 out of 10, because why would they were just lying to me. I have the mic underneath my chin. I'll do better next time. And yeah, I waited to open this up. This is literally my first time. Nice. I'm so happy to be looking at this after a year of waiting. this has been so long. So these are the headlights. They look nice though. I'm not gonna lie, their products are really nice, but it just takes way too long and it's expensive as f. When I bought these, I had money. Now I have no money. Of the carbon fiber in the inside. Yeah, these are kind of dirty. Let's open up the other one, the other side. So this one looks like it has more stuff. Did they give me a whole new HID cable, or was this mine? Oh, I think I returned it with it. Never mind. So here are cables that you will be getting when ordering these, or for the RGB at least, because these are the, oh, these are mine in general. These LEDs or RGBs are running through Morimoto. That's what it's running through. Pretty long cable. Install. As you guys can see, these go to each of the headlights right here. Put this aside. I think these are for the RGB too, I think. I might be wrong. I don't know. I didn't install these the first time. I'll be honest. I didn't install. My friend installed these for me. He probably messed it up, you know? Oh, whoa! I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm joking. You're watching this video. I'm joking. I'm gonna say these are the HID harnesses though. No, okay, wait. Am I dumb? Those were the HID harnesses, and I'm gonna say this is for RGB because this looks so similar to the RGB. It's one of these. These are way too much cables for me. But this comes to the BT. I'm not too sure what this is as well, as you guys can see. So I'm guessing these are RGB. I don't know what these other things are for then. I think some of these harnesses are for the conversion. So those are all the cables that came. If you guys know what that is, then let me know in the comments if you know what that is. But here is the right side of the headlights. And I will be giving you guys a close-up, like I said. Get these out of here. Ooh, rip this open. So here are the headlights entirety. This side looks way cleaner. So these look way cleaner and better than the other side. There's like no scratches or anything like that. You know, this is plastic right here. And then in here we have the HID harness, which I don't want to open up. Last time when I got these, the headlights were pointing up. So we tried fixing it and pointing them straight so I wouldn't blind no one. And we couldn't do that because these were broken apparently. So hopefully they fixed that issue. This is where the RGB is going. During the day, it looks really nice. During the night, it looks even better. I'll give you guys some example videos around here, how these are supposed to look. And I'll probably show you the ones that they look on my car specifically. These light up orange and start like flashing like a regular one, but they look so nice. And then if I want to, I could change these to any color I want. That's the option I added for. You can't really see, but there's like carbon fiber in there. I don't know if it's real carbon fiber. I have no complaints about how they look because these are really good looking. Because if you see the ones that they sell like on Amazon, eBay, it goes from here, here, and it goes up right here. And I don't really like those, and I see a lot of people have those anyways. So I want to be just a little different and get the one that goes all across over here, and it has a nice subtle look to it. So yeah guys, that's basically the review. I'm not really good at reviewing things, as you can see. I just show you how they look. Customer service, like I said, is a 4 out of 10. But they were just lying to me, you know, manipulating me, gaslighting me, hurting me. I'm just kidding. I was gonna say shipping is quick, but I waited a year for these. So shipping, you're gonna have to wait like a year. So I give shipping a 1 out of 10 because what the fuck's a year? Why are you waiting for some headlights, you know? Look wise, everything, I'm gonna give this an 8.6 out of 10 right now, because I don't know if these work properly, but the look on it, the design on it looks very amazing. Oh, I'm supposed to put my own head bulbs. I was about to say it's missing a bulb over here. I just noticed. Yeah, I need to put in my bulb. I don't want no more water going in, and then the bulb's in there already. So I just need to work it from here. I think I found one mistake. So you guys look over here. I don't know if the lighting's good, but it's sticking out and the flap's flapping out. When this one, it's nice sealed and everything. The wires are in too. The wires are in and everything, nice and sealed. And then this one is like opening right here. Over here it's like not even where it's supposed to be. It's like coming out right here on the side. So hopefully that's not a big thing. If that shit fucked up again, I was about to wait another century and shit just to get these back. Also, before ending this video, I actually want to real quick show you guys what I have planned for the car. And I'm gonna go show you guys real quick what I have. I have 2 things here in my room. You see here, I got these bad boys, 373 gears. Yeah. Are you guys excited as I am? This is getting installed next week. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Hopefully in my mechanic, but I'm rebuilding the back end of the Mustang, basically what I'm trying to say. I have the rear gears right there. And then I'm using this as a shoe holder, as you guys can see. I don't have many shoes. My drip is not dripping, you know. But as you guys can see, I have UCV axles in the back. Yeah. So I got new half shafts because they're broke. Not really broke, but I'll explain everything in the video of this. And then let's go to the garage to show you the final thing. Here in my garage with my Lamborghini. Some young motherfuckers don't know what I'm talking about, but look at this beauty. Cobra. This is my car. It's picking up so much dust right now. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, literally all this dust. I feel bad for it. I need to go get it cleaned and shit. I have my old tires right over here. New stock tires are horrible. The thing I want to show you guys is down here. I want to show you guys this right here. This This is what I got. Yeah, I'm just kidding. But this is the box for my gears. I'm rebuilding the clutch pack as well, and I have a bunch of seals and shit right there. So that's all I want to show you guys. I'm only going to talk about it a little bit because all that's supposed to be for another video that I'm supposed to be doing next week. So I'm gonna go drop the car off at the mechanics because I can't do none of that shit. I can't install the differential, any of that. So I'm gonna go do that next week, vlog about it. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I'm sweating a little bit. I don't know why, it's hot as fucking. I was gonna film this in the garage next to the car so I could have a nice background, but it was way too hot, so fuck that. It's like customer service 4 out of 10. Headlights 8.6 out of 10 just because I don't know if they work well, and plus I found that thing in the back, which I'm gonna actually bump this down to an 8 out of 10. They look amazing, look everything, but the little small thing is down. If these work properly, work fine, I'm gonna give it a 9.2 out of 10. So I really like that. These headlights look nice. Price wise, I give that shit a 1 out of 10. Then you know what, fuck that, 0 out of 10. Ain't no way. I paid $1,000 for some headlights. I'll be honest, my friend told me to do it. He said I didn't have balls to do it, and I did it. So don't let your friends peer pressure you into doing anything as well. It's your life. Sorry, I got all motivational. Just kidding. I wanted these headlights too. He just told me to do it, and I did it. You know, wait time for these, fucking 1 out of 10. A year is crazy for some headlights. You know, maybe Vilzo. I don't even know what I will wait a year for. Maybe some. So for shipping, 1 out of 10. Total score average. I'm not good with numbers, so let's just say it's a 7 out of 10 average, maybe. If you guys want to pick these up, swlights.com. I'm not sponsored by them, but if you guys want to go pick them up after this, then go ahead. And yeah, this was my little review about these headlights. Hope you guys did enjoy, and like I said, new videos are going to be coming soon. My car should be running, so I should be back on YouTube now, because my car's down, I'm down. My car up, I'm up, type shit. Follow me on Twitch, I stream there often. My TikTok page for my car account, follow that too. I'm almost at 1 million. I'm nowhere near 1 million. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.